In this video, I will show you how to change font size on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to enter into the website that you want to change the font size for. Once you're in the website, I'd like you to know that there are two ways you can do this. You can either decide to change the font size globally, or you can decide to change the font size for a particular text. So to change the font size globally, what you're going to do is you're going to go to website and you're going to go to pages. Now on the pages, at the bottom of the page, you're going to click on custom code and you're going to click on custom CSS. On the custom CSS, you see a header that says custom files. Right under custom files, this is where you're going to change the font size. So let's say we want to change the font size for every paragraph to 5px. And once we save this and we move between pages, you realize every paragraph has changed. This changes the font size globally. Now, if you'd like to change just the font size of a particular page, this font size has changed. This font size has changed. If you'd like to change just the font size of a particular page, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this. We're going to take this off from here and we're going to save. And once we save, now it should go back to the normal state. Let's come back to the about. Now it's back to the normal state. What we're going to do is we're going to click on edit. Once we click on edit, we're going to come to where we want to add the text. We're going to click on add block. And here we're going to click on code. Now this is the block that we want to add and the code. So let's say we want to add this text here. We're going to click on this pencil that says edit. And right after editing, we're going to come here and we're going to paste this. So now here we're going to use an inline style. And what an inline style is we're going to open the paragraph tag. And right after opening the paragraph tag, we're going to paste in our text in the paragraph. And here we're going to put in style. We're going to do equal to, and the style that we want to do is font size. And for the font size, we want to change it to 5px. So even before saving, you can see that this two texts, this has a different font size. This one also has a different font size. Now that's how you change font size and on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.